Today we learn about some important body parts, focusing on the ears and jaw. These are parts of the face that help us hear, chew food, and express emotions. The ear is the part of the body we use to hear sounds around us. It helps us listen to music, voices, and all other noises. The ear also helps us keep our balance. The cheek is the soft area on the side of the face below the eyes. It helps protect the inside of the mouth and the teeth. We smile and laugh using muscles near the cheek. The chin is the lower part of the face. It gives shape to the face and supports the jaw. The chin helps with movements needed for talking and eating. The jaw is a strong bone under the chin. It holds the lower teeth and moves when we chew food. The jaw also helps us speak clearly and shows the shape of our face. The ear and cheek are important parts of the face. The ear allows us to hear and keep balance. The cheek helps us smile and protects the mouth inside. Remember these parts well as they help you every day. The chin and jaw work together on the lower part of the face. The chin shapes the face. The jaw helps us chew, talk, and show facial expressions. These parts are important for speaking and eating. The chin is the lower front part of the face that helps shape your profile. The jaw supports your lower teeth and moves to help you chew and speak. Both parts give your face its structure and help with many daily actions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.